In this video, you will learn how to get promo codes for 1xBet. Check the promotional page. Regularly visit the promotional section to find active working code or ongoing bonus offers. Subscribe to emails or SMS. Opt in to receive marketing communications. Exclusive or regional promotional codes are often shared this way. Follow on social media and communities. Stay active on the X1Bet social channels and betting forums, where limited time codes are released by the platform or by different other users. Use the promo code store. Accumulate bonus points by betting and redeeming them in the promo code store for free bets or accumulated coupons. Refer a friend. Use the Refer a Friend program to earn codes or rewards when you refer, sign up, or place a bet. Enter codes during registration and deposit. When signing up or making a deposit, enter a valid code in the promotional field to access your bonus. Now you know how to get promo codes in X1Bet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.